I have a Leatherman. This particular model is called a Leatherman Rev, and it's a nice little multi-tool, incredibly sharp knife. Yeah, ferociously sharp knife on it. I don't usually take this away with me when I go away, and the reason for that is it's relatively heavy. So I've weighed this just now, and it's 170 grams. I found a solution recently. Leatherman make a model called the Squirt, which is a tiny little multi-tool that you can just put in your bag and pretty much forget it's there. The weight of the Squirt is, I think, around 58 grams, almost a third of the weight of this standard tool. I was having a look at them online and they're about £45. And whilst I was browsing, I found this little gadget. So this is a different brand, but basically it's a similar sort of thing to the Squirt. This might be something like 68 grams, and I think the Leatherman Squirt is meant to be 58 grams. That is significantly lighter, about a third of the weight of the Leatherman that I've currently got. What I liked about this over the Leatherman was that this cost around £15, whereas the Leatherman was £45. So we'll get this open. So it's open, and look at this. I think this is a great little function that is sort of sprung. The pliers are sprung. So that seems really cool. Nice little design. You can see the size of it. It's tiny, you know, but that's next to my index finger. So it's really pretty small. Some of the tools we've got on here then, we've got flat blade, which is a bit dinky. It's on the small side. So we'll test this against just a bit of cordage in a minute. We've got a serrated blade. Not really sure what they ever get used for. We've got a bottle opener, which I think is really practical. I do think that gets used. Everyone's always looking around for a bottle opener in the evening if you're sat at camp. The main tools, I think, are the blade, just the flat blade, the bottle opener, the screwdrivers, and then it's got the pliers as well. So it's a really nice little thing. So let's give this blade a shot and see how good that is. So I've just got, as I say, a bit of sort of cord here. This is maybe 4, possibly 5 mil thick. A slightly awkward position. It is getting through it. Yeah, it will cut through. There we go. I suspect it's slightly easier, but not much easier with this big Leatherman. This is a blade that is really sharp, and obviously a nice long blade as well, which makes it easier. So yeah, kind of similar, really similar. You know, for me, it wasn't that much easier using this than it was using the little one, which surprised me a little. So yeah, they both get through, but I'm quite impressed by that actually. It's less than a third of the cost of that full one and a third of the cost of the Squirt. So it's, I think, really good value from that perspective. It's nice and light and small, and that's something that I can have living in the bottom of my bag. I think that's a great little win.